your girl JeanneB, and welcome back to my channel where we cover everything from the ordinary to the extraordinary, whether it be travel, lifestyle, beauty, or living abroad. Today is one of my favorite topics, Amazon! We got special delivery. This is our holiday edition to keep you looking fit and fabulous and finding great things for both him and her. So let's get after it. Come here, get closer, right here. A little bit more, a little bit more. Come on, closer, closer, closer. Whoa! So the first item that we have is the luxury rhinestone bridal belt. It comes in 3 colors, gold, rose gold, and silver. I ordered it in silver. Price was $16.99, available through Amazon Prime. It had 14 reviews and 4.5 stars. So let's take a closer look. So the first thing I noticed, it comes in a pretty cheap box, no description of the company. It came bubble wrapped, so that's good. If you can see, it's kind of sloppily put in. But let's take a closer look. Well, it sparkles really nice. It probably catches some good light. I bought this to go with any kind of holiday sweaters that you might have that you want to give a little extra bling to, any balls, holiday, New Year's events that you have. It does shine really well. The weight, it's really lightweight. It says that it's crystal. It looks pretty cheap up front, up close, but from far away, I think it would be a really good accent. From the other ones I normally order, the bridal stash, it comes with external clips, and I'll show you guys more of that up close. And it comes with a white belt, satin ribbon for you to extend. It's really long, so I'm sure you're probably gonna have to cut that. I would probably give it about a 3 stars, but let's see it later maybe with the outfit and see if that improves it a little bit. Okay, let's get our next item. I ordered another belt comparatively, and this one comes in this box, and it is called the Fashion Jewelry. And this one we bought from Loveful Bridal Company. And it is an Amazon choice product. It has had 295 reviews with 4.5 stars from Loveful. It comes in a lot of different colors for the ribbon, unlike the other ones. So they're all crystal based, but it comes in black, white, cream, purple. I ordered mine in white. So first review is, it actually comes in a lot nicer box comparatively. At least it has a little bit of decoration to it. It doesn't have its brand name Loveful on it, but when you do open it up, it does come with a description, washing instructions, how to maintain it, so that's good. As you can see, this one comes in a smaller box. It's a little bit smaller frame. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. This I also bought to go to an event and to cast a little bling to it. Now this one, compared to the other one, it's a little thicker. I will say that, see, it's kind of bendy. It held the frame, so hopefully that will straighten out. Maybe I need to iron it a little bit. But this one, you can see the bling looks a lot better. The light catches on it a lot better, and I'd have to say this one looks a lot less cheap than the other one, so good there. When you look at it individually, the crystals look a lot better quality than the other one. I think this is gonna look really good on any sweater or any vest that you might have. I'm gonna try it on later with a gown, so maybe I'll give you guys a lookbook for the holidays and show you how it looks. Again, this one comes with extra long ribbon. I'm not quite sure why they do that. But let's continue and see what else we got. Yeah. So another thing that I ordered was the Marrakesh Jewelry. So this is a really good line that I've seen a lot of people start ordering from. So this is the Marrakesh Jewelry line. They consider it an Indian jewelry set with earrings, necklace, and simulated pearls. The Marrakesh line, they come and they sell anything from earrings to hair accessories to bridal accessories. On an average, they have about 13 to 14 viewers per item, and it is available. And they do say that it's a lead and nickel free product, so if you have any allergies, this might be a good choice for you. So first things first, when you open it, this box is quite sturdy. The packaging, everything seems to become individually wrapped. So let's go ahead and take a closer look. So the first thing is the bracelet. So this has leaves and pearls individually. I have really small wrists, so I'm always concerned whether or not things are going to fit me. It has the easy clasp apparently. I always find these a little difficult to put on, so looks like I'll need assistance with that. But as you can see, it will go really well with any of your holiday decorations, and this is actually made for a bridal company, so it would be good either for any of your holiday events or for bridal events that you have coming up. It is kind of stiff in the middle. As you can see, like the middle doesn't fold very easily. On the sides, it's a lot better. Up close, it looks really, really nice. I think it gets the light really well. I think it'll be great here. So let's see what else we got. What's our next item? Okay, so it is the holidays, and one of the things I love to do is I love costumes and I love to give back to the community. So this is my elf costume. Tomorrow I actually have an event where I will be an elf. So this is the elf costume. This is the picture. How cute. I ordered this in a size extra large, so I'm a size 8, 10, and per the dimensions, they said I needed to order it in an extra large. So let's open this up. And this has no current reviews on it, so let's see how that turns out. So it comes with a little belt. Ooh, I do like that it's an elastic belt. And unfortunately, it looks almost kind of brown as opposed to black. And it gives the illusion of some rhinestones, but there's actually none in there. So this is a cute little skirt. Seems to be really nice velvet. It's really soft. It's not itchy at all. And then it comes with a Santa hat. You might need to get your own Santa hat. I don't know, maybe my head's too big. Let's try this. And here's the little top that comes with. It is a little see-through, so you might need to wear a little top underneath. But we'll try this on later and see how it looks and if it's really true to size. Okay, oh, this is a great gift. Okay, so I have a teenager and I was really shocked to see how excited they were to find out about Bob Ross. And they brought up to me like, hey mom, do you know who Bob Ross is? And I was like, yeah, I know who Bob Ross is. And they thought I was like cool for knowing who Bob Ross was. So this is the Bob Ross t-shirt that they have available on Amazon, and I'll make sure I put all the links to all these below. So this is the new Bob Ross t-shirt that is available on Amazon. I have to say, it's really soft. The t-shirt seems to be a really good quality t-shirt. Size, I would say you probably need to order one size up from what you traditionally wear. This is an extra large, and my teen usually wears a large, so I would say if you order one size up, you'd probably be good. But overall, I think it would be really nice, and they'll enjoy that. So the last box I have, okay, so great thing about Amazon. If you're married, sometimes you have a spouse that are very particular about the items they want. That happens to be my husband. I know very little about technology. I'm learning. But there are items that he definitely wanted. And what's a great thing about Amazon is you can put things in your Amazon cart. So these are all items he put in his wish list for the holidays. So let's see what we got. So we got the new iWatch. We got the iWatch stand because I know he puts this at the side of his bed. I know he has other digital watches, but he really wanted this one. Okay, so what else did we get on Amazon? Okay, so this is this is not made by Apple, but it looks really good and I'm really excited about this. This is a third-party company band. Let's check it out. So it's pretty cool if you look. This is both silver and rose gold. I'm actually really shocked he wanted this because generally this would be the first item that he's ever owned with rose gold. Rose gold is my color, as you can see. So I guess he's growing too, and it comes with some tools. So we'll do a review later after he gets it, and I'll give you an update on how these products were. So if you have any art lovers, I don't know if you guys have heard about these, but these new artist dual markers, they're actually really expensive. So if you buy them individually, they're about $4 a piece. Well, Amazon had this great kit, and it's like 50 vibrant colors for like under 40 bucks or 50 bucks. It's a really great deal. So I'm really looking forward to how my teen likes those. Okay. So the holidays are coming up and we have a lot of events that me and my husband are going to. Now, one of the things you'll see in our lookbook is I am going to be wearing a green evening gown. So I needed to make sure, of course, that my husband always matches me. So this is the vest that I got. It's green and blue accents, and I'll show you later in our lookbook the reason why I got this, because I'm actually wearing an owl purse that has blue and green in it. So I'm really excited to see what my husband looks like, and I might flash you a little picture of that. I will tell you, generally these companies run a little bit small, so I'll let you know what we think about it. Generally too, you have to be careful with the buttons, although these buttons seem to be sewn on a lot better than a lot of the other ones we've gotten. So I'll give you a look at that later. And the last item I've really been looking forward to. I know, okay. So white boots, okay? I can't begin to describe to you how difficult it is to get white boots in Italy. It's impossible. I haven't been able to find white boots anywhere. So, my new white boots are in. Super excited! So we're going on a trip to Scotland coming up here in a few weeks for Christmas. And I really wanted some white boots to go with my new white Calvin Klein jacket. And here they are. Oh, they're so pretty. And they're waterproof. So when I travel, I make sure if we're going anywhere that's cold or wet and rainy like Scotland, that my feet are always dry. They look really good and really cute. I will add these to our winter lookbook and give you the details later. All these items, I'll make sure that I link to you below, but we'll give more detailed description in upcoming video. So that's my quick Amazon haul for today. Well, it's your girl JeanneB, and thanks for joining me. And remember to subscribe to see what else we have coming for the holidays, and make sure that you check out my new videos that are posted every week.